You get off my stereo. Come on. Go in the window. You keep starting my CD over. Come on. Ah. Listen to me. Listen to me now. Frickin' cat keeps restarting my CD. Freaking me out. Get off my stereo. Get up. Go on. Oh, go. Oh, sure. Don't go over there. Brewster. You're very naughty. Very naughty. Yeah, so I hung this stuff up before he could knock it down because it was right there where he's standing right now. I knew you were going to do it. Stop knocking my stuff down. Naughty. Very, very naughty. Stop it. All right. Now be still. Will you be good? All right. What a nut. Are you a good boy? You a good boy? Hmm? You a good boy? Yes, you are. Now be still.